In this video, we will show you how to clean a microwave using lemon juice. Although you can use whole lemons or vinegar, lemon juice tends to be better because it smells better. The concept is quite simple, really. Use the power of steam and the acidity of the lemon to loosen the dirt and grime inside your microwave to make it easier for you to wipe it all out. To do this, get a microwave-safe bowl and fill it with a solution of water and lemon juice. Use about a cup of water and the juice of 1 lemon. That should equate to at least 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. You don't have to be precise, though. Next, microwave the solution on high for 3 to 5 minutes. This allows the water to come to a boil and lets the lemony steam seep through the interior, loosening all the grime and food splatters. The combination of the steam and the slightly acidic substance, be it lemon juice or vinegar, is what makes this fantastic cleaning method work. Keep the door closed and let the steam just sit there for several minutes to keep working. Next, carefully, as you don't want to burn yourself, take out the lemon juice solution and place to one side. You can then take a clean sponge or rag and wipe away all the newly loosened grime to get everything clean. A bonus is that this method also helps deodorize your microwave at the same time. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up.